Sorry guys, my brother just turned off my computer. Sorry guys, just wait. I'm a pro in there. See, I told ya. Look. Tignan mo to, Christian. Tignan mo to, Christian. Tignan mo to, Christian. Tignan mo to, Christian. Tignan mo to.
Panik yan, diba?
Na-failed ko pa. Wait lang. Christian, nasan ba yung command dito? Pindutin mo. Nasan yung command? Hindi, nasan yung command? Yung command.
Alisin ko doon.